Hi, today is my story about farmer. This is the field. They are ready to, after harvesting again, replant potatoes. We are ready to potatoes. They're making beds. How to? This is the store. This is the fertilize. This the workers. So everyone rush and working hard. Each harvest finished after they are ready to field again. Lose the soil, fertilize using a little bit machinery. A lot of people working. They are everyone hard worker. You can see a little bit crane also here. So they looking for the worm. They are making beds. They are after making like these beds and they're planting potatoes. Each 3 months ago, and they're harvesting. This machine can easy the losing soil. You're looking for the crane back to they're looking warm. They're chasing that machine. Oh, we got this crane looking for the fresh worm inside the earth. They're digging after they're coming up, they're catching. Very funny. No need to any the cleaning worm in the earth. This bird doing very good job. This machine working the phenomenal. This bed all made. Yeah, I think inside the potatoes that put on the earth now ready to watering. Here potatoes. Maybe the root. They're keeping store. I keep in dry process and after putting here and the fertilize here. I think here this is fertilized and they're putting close with sand soil after putting watering and the production is this is the photo is coming from Holland. This is the store. This is the watering pipe. They keep in between like 8 inches. Very careful, a little bit tighter. What are you doing here? The woman keep like that organizing uh, potatoes between 8 inches. After what doing the man, they putting on soil and close and come. They're making beds side by side. Crane doing their job. They're looking for the worm and pigeon also. They are looking for the worms. You can see we have pigeon, couple of pigeon here. This is auto line. This is the rotating automatically. This water. I think they finished the job after putting watering. They're making beds. This the my next side also there. The potatoes grow. I think 1 month ago they planted. All farmers trust working. The workers everywhere. Here every places have potatoes farmer. You can see a lot of potato beds and uh, this is the very uh, rush workers. Exactly taking 3 months harvesting, and here more rain season. That this time is the sunny. It's no problem. They putting that seasonal they plant after harvesting. They want to protect a lot of production. Sometimes wild animal also here. That's why they looking for night like a watchman. Here fertilizations by hand, all jobs doing one machine only. All the human using for the human. You refill this bag because you cannot carry it back because the weight. That's why a little bit put in the other bag and take into beds and spread the way. But not everywhere. They carry to the path. Say, with different kind of fertilization. They are using two type of the fertilization. One is the urea. Next is organic in Sri Lankan made by organic animal stuff like that. You can see Sri Lankan potatoes growing area. These potatoes now growing well, like 1.5 month. The fertilization. It's like 1.5 month. Next 1.5 months is the harvesting. They product to the very good. They're treating water and fertilization. Now they product to by the some they product by some worm and other disease by the coming. That's why fertilization doing all by machine and hand. But the European have the more technology, but they here trading like this.